Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this really awesome diamond art. I got this for my daughter, but I had an awesome time doing this with her. I'm going to show you the details up close. So diamond art is a lot of fun because it takes a long time, but it's easy. And what I liked about this is me and my daughter could do it together. There are big diamonds and little diamonds, as you can see here. And how it works is you just peel the plastic off and you put the diamond on whatever letter it goes with. Super easy. I really like that this one comes in a frame, because it's easy to just put it up and show it off after you're done. All you do is take this little pink goo and you stab it your pen in a couple times, and then you take your diamond and you stick it to the paper. So this is my 6-year-old doing it, and she had a lot of fun. It did take time, so I think she preferred the bigger beads, but I loved doing the smaller beads with her. This was a great project for me and her to do together, and it didn't take too much brain power. I love how it turned out. I highly recommend this, especially for a summer craft with school ending. It is an awesome, awesome craft. And I highly recommend this kit, but that's just my point of view.